Hey, what's up? It is Dan McDonald, and today I have the absolute best, most easiest, most delicious, nourishing, raw food meal you're ever gonna have. Old school classic. Check this out. So I made some salsa with stuff out of the garden. Tomatoes, onions, cilantro, you know the deal. You can make your own salsa at home, or you can buy some fresh organic salsa. And I'm gonna take that and put this here in the mixing bowl. Okay. Secondarily, I'm gonna add, this is amazing, this is one of Lou's recipes here, and I'm gonna give you an extra version here, some things you can play with if you just hold on a second. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the natural, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of the Life Essentials. This makes it savory, hearty, delicious, with tons of added nutrition. So this is a soup, a dip, or a dressing. There it is. And that's the simplest, easiest thing you've ever seen, right? And that's it. Now you've got a hearty dressing soup, or what you can do is take this recipe and blend it in the blender and make a salad dressing. Now this is amazing if you want to take cucumbers, zucchini chips, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, lettuce is particularly good to dip in there, okay? Can't you dig it? So use that as a topping, but it's actually a soup. It's a little thinner than I want. I'm being a little bit, I got another recipe to do after this, and I need just a little bit more of the Paradigm Natural. So there you go. Boom, that's gonna make it a little bit how I want it. Now, there's another way to do this. So this is for my friend. I do a lot of trades here on the island. So there's step one. So I'm gonna show you what I do there. This is just in the form of a soup. It's got a nice kick to it. And like I said, it's all the fresh veggies out of my garden. And then what I wanted to show you was presentation. Normally it's better if these videos are shorter. I know I gotta get my videos down to 90 seconds. That's what's trending on the algorithms. I'm gonna slow down now. I'll get that in the future. You know, for now though, I'm just gonna chill, you know, on this video right now. But yeah, I've got a lot of learning to do as far as like cramming in, and then people do editing and stuff, because you could put this into a 90-second thing, but it's, you know, I've always done it. It's been more real. You know, I've been more real, and I'm having a hard time stepping away from being a human being on the internet. I know I'm gonna have to become more robotic and get in line with the algorithms. They've really, really punished me. And there just isn't much that I've been able to do about that yet. I haven't really wanted to invest. I've been very busy with living this lifestyle, you know? And everyone says that, of course, but I mean, I'm really working with this process and this passion that I have to get myself right. I'm not really trying to fix the world. I'm not really trying to fix or change the world. But anyhow, I'm just doing my DTM thing there. So what I'm gonna do is just to make it super beautiful, tasty and delicious, throw some avocado on top there. I think she's really gonna appreciate that. And it's gonna be a very hearty, it's not as pretty as I thought it might be. I could have made those a little bit different, but either which way, I'll add another one. And that's just that's a soup that she is going to love. I know she's watching this video right now because she watches them all. And we do trades, you know, and I have all this food always laying around, and I like, look at all this coconut meat. I'm turning into yogurt today. And I've got another bonus recipe here for you. So there's one version of it. There's another version, which is more of the original, but I was like, oh, I gotta do it quick. And so forget about that. I could have shown you the whole thing. But anyhow, this is perfect amount. What I'm doing is I'm adding in, normally what what Lou does with this is he puts the coconut almond yogurt. And what you do is you take the coconut, the peeled white coconut from the young Thai coconuts, and you take your soaked almonds, and you take your probiotics, you know, which are the, you know, the probiotics are basically the happy dance. And I'm going to make a video about that soon, because what I did is I had this, I had a 6-month-old yogurt, and it was just, it's like ecstasy with that much life force. When all those billions of microorganisms become trillions and they line your GI tract. If you knew what I knew about the GI tract, you would see what it is. All the saculations, all the divots, all the sludge. And then the people are like, I'm a dude, and like all these losers are talking about all this colon stuff. And they're eating like this stuff that is clogging up their colon. You know, like all this carby, bready, starchy, sticky, cooked stuff. And, you know, I'm nobody's judge, but I'm not going to listen to them for health advice. You know, I'm going to listen to myself. You want to get your GI tract cleaned up and have living essence of the living food. This is fresh out of the garden, fresh out of the coconut. It's all fresh and alive. And then you bring in this to enhance the nutrient density of it, and to give you some satisfaction and satiation. Plus you get all the amino acids, you know, that are going to keep you strong and healthy long into your future. Because the main thing to anti-aging is keeping your muscle on. And if you don't have enough amino acids, when you're young, you can get away with it. But as you later on, if you don't have the amino acids, your body will not allow you to work out. And it's true with women, it's true with men. You know, you gotta have the amino acids or your body will just be like, no. Okay, so anyways, I was like gonna keep it short, but it's never gonna work. So forget about it. I'm just gonna have to chill and do these classes and like charge for them and do like 2-3 hour long classes to teach. This is coconut yogurt, which, like I said, coconut almond yogurt is the original recipe with the salsa. You take the coconut almond yogurt, you take the coconut, the almond, the probiotics, the Paradigm Natural, and the Life Essentials, and you make an amazing yogurt. Like that, the coconut almond yogurt with the Paradigm Natural and the Life Essentials is the best thing ever, because then you can make dressings that you could just drown your salad with, and there's no guilt. With that other crap, you'll feel like, you know what, crap. And with this one, you can just load it up, you know, and it's food. And so you can also do all kinds of gorilla milk, monkey milk, smoothies. You just add a couple of scoops to your smoothie with blueberries, bananas, and some kale. Blend it up, and you've got these hearty, nourishing, filling foods that are living foods that keep you going throughout the day. That way you're not eating any of this stuff, because it'll mess up your head, it'll mess up your body, it'll mess up your life. It's fake, disorganized food, you know. This is raw processed food, you know. And so, but you're never gonna have a video where it's like, you can, but it's like, here's this mango recipe. What is it? Mangoes. Here's this banana recipe, whatever. So these recipes are just kind of to give people options, you know, because it can be tough to stay on the straight and narrow. But if you have a good skill set and you can make some delicious recipes. Now you saw though, that was the cool thing that I wanted to share, is that you can take salsa that you make yourself, which is easy. You throw it in the, you know, S-Blade food processor. You just throw your crap in there, zing, done. Then you add the natural protein and the Life Essentials, boom. The other more easier on the road is you just grab some salsa that's already been made. Because, you know, if you just eat salsa by itself, you won't really get full. But if you eat salsa with the natural protein and the Life Essentials, it'll be much more hearty. Can you dig it? So that's another option there. So now I'm going with the, I'm gonna just add this. This is just coconut yogurt. But we'll see how that goes. I'll see which one she likes better. Now you've got a real creamy and delicious. So you've got one. Now let's see what we got here with this other. Not sure we got enough. Not quite there. We might have to. Oh, but I didn't want to have it too high anyway. So anyways, that's I just want everybody to know I'm just working. I'm just doing a job, you know. That's all I'm doing. There's no way anyone's going to listen to me about, I mean, it's a little bit of my frustration. It's my fault. But it's not my fault. It's just the world, you know. There's nobody really wants to hear the real truth. Honestly. And do the real work. And I don't mean that to be offensive to you, but it's a rare bird that wants to get on the track and go and learn deeply about what I really truly care about. So I'm just a little artist with the food trip here, giving people options. It's an art work, it's a day job. And then, you know, and I'm a food artist for sure. And then, but other than that, there's also a lot of other things that I do that are not as, that I just don't, you know, talk about because the internet, it's, you can't disrespect yourself, you know what I mean? Can't disrespect yourself, but I do share way more in depth on the Elite Video Club, you know, and I really do believe in this, you know, and I don't believe in fighting with other people about it. You know, it's actually very simple, but you want to keep your colon clean and your brain clean and your lymph clean. And I just did a mini consult with one of my friends this morning, and it's like, everybody's sick, you know, and I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Because I like to keep everything just cleaned out with all the various tools that I use at my disposal. Can you dig it? So there's this ultra creamy version, and then the heartier version. Can you dig it? So thanks for watching the video. I think that's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna call that good, and I'll see you on the next one. I got a couple more things I'm gonna do here today. So thank you very much. Leave a comment and give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff. Thank you to help me with the algorithms if you're still here.